To get rid of carpenter ants, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar in a shallow bowl and place it wherever you've seen the ants. The powdered sugar will attract the ants, and the baking soda will kill them. Spray any ants you encounter with soapy water to kill them and get rid of their scent trail. Try to find the ants' nest by following them to where they take food back to. Or, check for damaged wood in and around your home, since carpenter ants chew through wood to make their nest. When you find the nest, spray it with a non-toxic insecticide, or pour boiling water into it if it's located outdoors. For serious infestations, consider calling a pest control agency. To prevent carpenter ants from coming back, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle, and spray your baseboards, windowsills, and countertops with it. The smell of the vinegar will confuse and deter the ants. You should also keep your kitchen as clean as possible, since carpenter ants are attracted to crumbs and food spills. Finally, make sure to seal entrances like doors and windows, and cut back bushes or trees that carpenter ants could nest in.